Ready?
I guess so.
Yes.
You guess so. Okay, Gabo, please.
Well, on A, I say, oh, I, oh, I suggest to show a film about our national history.
That's pretty good. Yes, that's one. That's one option, Carlita. The other one is I suggest we show. I suggest we show a film about our national history, like the History Channel. Okay.
Aliens.
Yes. Amelie, do you have letter B?
I think the one that goes could be, it will be a good idea to teach, or that we teach people.
Okay, that's okay. It would be a good idea to teach. I'm not sure about that one. That we teach people, that's okay. And teaching people is also okay. It would be a good idea teaching people. It would be a good idea teach people. Not to teach, just teach.
Okay.
Yes, just those. We're actually eliminating this one. That's the one we won't use to teach. No, it would be a good idea teach people.
Okay.
Thank you. Gio, please.
I recommend to invite.
Okay. Is that the only one?
Invite.
Yeah.
Also.
And that's it. Invite or to invite. I recommend invite or I recommend to invite.
Okay.
And finally, Gina, do you have it?
Yes.
Yes.
I propose put on.
Mm-hmm.
Putting on also.
You know what, guys? I was completely lost. I am really sorry. I was reading the opposite answers. Yes, I am really sorry. I'm really sorry. I made a big mistake. I am really sorry. Yes,
because
sorry,
it says
sorry.
that
Yeah,
cannot
sorry,
be
sorry.
used.
Those are the ones that cannot be used. Yes, and I was saying that those are the ones that can be used. No way. Could you please forgive me for this mistake? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
So again, in the first one, which is the answer?
I could have said nothing about that, but I think you deserve to know the truth. I'm gay. So I'm not.
Okay, first one.
The first one. Okay, the ones that can be used, I'm telling you, the ones that can, not cannot, can be used, okay, are I suggest, showing, because every time, that's a verb pattern. After suggest, you have ing. I suggest showing, and in this case, that would be the only one that could be used. Showing, I suggest, we show, right? We show and showing. Those are the ones that could be used in this case, okay? I suggest we show, or I suggest showing a film. Those could be used. Yes, that's why I was wondering. It sounded really strange. So letter B. It would be a good idea. You were right. Who said this one? Amelie, right? Yes, Amelie. I'm really sorry. You were right. Yes, to teach. It would be a good idea to teach. That's the one we could use. And that's the only one that could be used. Robert, this is a miracle. Hello. So it would be a good idea to teach people one of our local dances. Then that's the only one you could use in a real situation. I recommend we invite or inviting. I recommend we invite or inviting. After recommend is ing, after suggest is ing. Okay. And then finally, I propose, yes, we can use putting on. I propose putting on. I propose we put on. Just be careful with this pronunciation, okay? Separate the words. We put on. or pronounce it in the American way, put on, right? And I guess that's it. I'm sorry about my mistake, for real. I really.
It was put on and the other one.
That we put on. No, it was putting on. The ones you can use, you can actually use are,
Yes.
I propose putting on and we put on. Those are the two you could use, right?
Great, thank you.
So here we go. I wasn't recording, but I'm recording now. So it was better for us to do this before we left. And then I'm telling you again, number 6 and number 7 are for homework, as well as page 32. I don't want you to do this right now because that would be like losing time from this session. I think it's better if we go ahead and explain the other topics than if we stay over here and we like spend time trying to answer this. I repeat, that's for homework. Okay. So we're about to start with unit number 3. Guys, do you have any problem if we finish class at 2? I hadn't even finished.
Yeah, but I follow you to the end of the world.
Yeah, man. Okay, so if anyone has to leave, put on S. Okay, so if we, Robert, ¿qué pasó? Como que sí. If you have to leave, it's okay. Remember, we're recording this, so it'll be online in case you want to check the last part for the answers. Obviously, not because you want to look at my face. What's more, I'm going to stop recording my face so that you can look at that. So now, please, if you have to leave at 1, that's okay. We'll continue up to like 1:40 maybe, so that you have time to do something else. Anyway, let's move on. Looking ahead, unit number 3. Look at all those images. So what's the first image?
There are
Ducks.
They're horses, okay. What kind of horses?
black. I don't know.
Black
Well, the ones that
Race horses.
race.
Okay, racing horses, right? What else? Is there anything like strange about those horses?
No.
Not really, right? It's just that